Amalunga wesibethamthetho seGauteng akathemba ukuthi izokulunga indaba yokunabisela istimela seGauteng ukuthi siye kwezinye iindawo ezisesifundeni esi.
Maybe it's in the wrong place. Maybe it's targeting the wrong areas. The one thing I do know is it's very expensive. And it's a heavy cost. And I think we as a committee have been raising this just in committee engagements when we've had opportunity to interact with yourselves, not around about the expansion, but about cost implications.
Isigaba sesithathu sehlelo lokunabisa eGauteng sisesekuthomeni kodwa sekunamalunga omphakathi angakhambisani nazo.
We have had a meeting, as I think it was the 13th of July, if I'm not mistaken, a public meeting with Gautrain, and they did explain the compensation process, but there is no answer as to how the current value of the properties is being affected.
Amalunga wesibethamthetho kadabuza abaphathi beGauteng ngendaba yokuthatha ihlelweli lisiwe emphakathini ethlagako ukuthi ngabe izokhoneka na.
What happened to the people that were using Prasa? Where are they? They are not using Gautrain. Why not? Because they can't afford it.
Abaphathi beGauteng bavikela ihlelweli bathi isigaba esijesi seGauteng sizokubiza imali phasi begodu wonke umuntu uzokwaneliseka.
That then begs the question, so who is the Gautrain targeted at? And it was originally targeted at people who use their cars. To say get out of your cars, reduce congestion, and have a cheaper ride.
Ikomiti yendlela neenthuthi eParliament isejimeni lokubuyekeza isabelo semali sanonyaka esizokutsho ukuthi amahlelo wonke bekutshejwe ukuthi enziwe unyaka lo afaka hlangana ukuthuthukiswa kweGauteng ayaraga. Kanti baqinisekise nokuthi yonke imraro ephakanyisweko ngehlelweli iyatshejwa ukwenzela bona abantu beGauteng bafumane izenzelo zomphakathi begodu bakhona ukufumana iinthuthi zomphakathi.